2018 Jeep Journey. The problem, front windshield wipers were staying on all the time, no turn signals. Well, now it's working. Wipers, high beams, everything working. Had the couple codes in there, but in the reality, after I did the testing with the scan tool, turning on and off the wipers from the scan tool, turn signals, I established that the problem is here in the switch, and I just, out of my curiosity, I opened it up just to see what is inside of it, and there is nothing really. Only thing that can go wrong is the cable that runs, flex cable that runs from here to the circuit board, and I was pretty much sure the problem is there. And I noticed something. This is the contacts on the wiper switch here, and they were not touching, they were barely touching the surface. Just out of my curiosity, I bend them a little bit tighter, put everything back, and guess what? Now it's working. What do you need to do this? You need a knife, go in there, this cover comes up. Underneath here you have one torque screw, T8 torque screw. Then you slide this out, remember the position of this guy. There is couple things that holds it. There is a whole bunch of things, but you don't have to take all of this out. In reality, the problem is right here. There is a little sleeve that holds it with this white thing. There is a tab on one spot. You push it one way and it comes off. Then I did actually tighten up all of the contacts that I found inside of the switch, but my opinion that the problem is actually in this guy right here, because that's the one that's getting the most use out of it. So maybe this way at least you can fix this, at least temporary, while you're waiting for the that's the code I had, plus some other code. Yeah, that's what I had inside of it. But at least this way you can get it going until you get the switching, or maybe it's actually gonna work. But that's where the problem is. But of course you have to establish that the problem is here, not somewhere else. But if it's here, that's the way you can fix it. Alright, thank you.